Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable character voice in Character AI. First of all you have to do is open the Character AI website on your phone or on your web browser on your PC. After opening the website, you have to log in with your Character AI account. Once logged in, all you have to do is select your character. For example, I have already created a character here. Last week, I will click on my character. From here, I can chat with my character. For example, I will say hi. As you can see, it's writing me in a text form. What I have to do is select this voice section and select any voice for my character. I can either add my own voice by clicking on create, or I can go to the discover tab or search any voice or select any voice. For example, I have selected this voice of my character, and now what I will do, I will toggle this turn voice on. Click on it. Now my voice is activated. Now I will say hi once again.
That's cool. Can we chat?
As you can see, my character is talking with me, and that's how to enable character voice in Character AI. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.